Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to find PC specs in Windows 10 so you can quickly check your computer's hardware and system details with ease. Method 1. Check PC specs from System Properties. Step 1. Right-click on this PC on your desktop or inside File Explorer, because this option gives you direct access to your computer's main system information without opening multiple menus. Step 2. Click on Properties, and here you will see important details like your processor, installed RAM, system type, and Windows Edition, which helps you understand your PC's overall performance and compatibility. Method 2. Check PC specs from Settings. Step 1. Click the Start button, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen and is the main place to access all Windows features. Step 2. Click on Settings, where Windows stores all system controls and configuration options in one organized place. Step 3. Select System from the left pane, because this section contains display, power, and device-related information for your computer. Step 4. Scroll down and click on About, where Windows shows detailed PC specs such as device name, processor, RAM, system type, and Windows version, making it very useful for troubleshooting and upgrades. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.